Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with Crafter Companion box number 2. This one is called Transfer Craft Kit. If you're new here, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. So I did a video the other day on the first box. This is the second box. I said that it would be 3 parts, so I'll try to list the first video in the card above to help you if you need to watch that video. So in this box we have these pretty ribbons. They're pink, black, and white. The 3 different sizes like the first box. We have these set of stamps. Let me try to put this behind so you can see them well. You have 3 different sets. This is the color card. You have, I think it's pink, black, and white colored card. Then you have card blanks in 3 different sizes. Then you have the envelopes in the 3 sizes. And then you have the little popsicle to help you transfer the rubber ones, or transfer, they're calling them transfers, but these are rubber ones, right? So there's the metallic type of foil rub-on in the silver and in the gold. Then we have these different element rub-ons to add to your card. Then we have these die cut toppers that are similar to the ones that were in the first box. I just think that is so lovely that they have this for maybe newer people. It's easier for them to make a card. This one says, "With all my heart, with love, on your special day, memories, celebration, best wishes. Sending good thoughts your way, thinking of you, you are the best, best of luck." This one is blank. You can stamp a sentiment on it. Use one of the stamps from the set to stamp your sentiments on the blank ones. And this one says, "Love you to the moon and back, hugs and kisses, especially for you, special moments. You are the key to my heart." And then you have some blank ones here. Here's another set of blanks. And we're back to the first one. Then last, I believe this is last but not least, we have the printed paper or pattern paper, depending on what you call it. And there are 3, I believe, of each pattern for each card size. This is a gorgeous color palette. This one I love, and it has the script embedded in there. Ooh, look at this. This is some beautiful papers to work with. You know, and just because you have this kit, you don't have to just only use the things that come in the kit. You can mix and match with other elements that you already have in your supply stash, you know, and make the card your own. And this is the last pattern paper here. So this is the box number 2 for the subscription box from Crafter's Companion. The only reason why I didn't link the information is because sign-ups has passed and you won't be able to sign up for this box until August of 2021. So stay tuned for videos coming with this box, and also my last subscription box video. So if you made it this far, consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Bye. See you in another video.